Hello friends, welcome back to Digital Tildar, and today in this video we are going to see how we can launch a WordPress website into our local host. And today I am using Xampp localhost. So first make sure your Xampp is started. As you can see, our Xampp, Apache and MySQL is started, and now we are ready to launch our WordPress website. So first what we have to do is we have to download our WordPress file from the website, which is wordpress.org. This is the official website of WordPress from where you can download your WordPress file. Our download is started now, and let this file get downloaded. Now this file is downloaded. Let's cut it from here and paste it into our desktop. Now we are going to extract this website, this file in our desktop. Now friends, as we can see that this file is extracted, and next step is we have to copy this file into a folder which will get into our C local drive into a Xampp, and here you will find inside Xampp there is a folder called htdocs. We have to copy this folder into this folder. Now this WordPress folder is copied in our htdocs folder. Now what we have to do is we have to rename this folder and keep the name of this folder whatever you want to keep. You can keep the name of this folder on the name of project you are working or you are making your website. For example, I will keep the name of this folder tutorials. I will keep the name of this folder tutorials, and with the same name I will make my database in my Xampp panel. To open your Xampp panel, click on admin, then here click on phpMyAdmin. Now our database or PHPMyAdmin is open. Now we have to create the database of file which we have already entered into our htdocs. Click on database and enter the name. Cross check the name, spelling should be exactly same. Tutorials, and now create. Now our database with the name tutorial is created in our PHPMyAdmin, and also we have entered the file of our project in htdocs. Now we have to just remove this URL and paste the name of our project into the URL and press enter. Our WordPress setup is started now. We have to select language. Whatsoever language you want to select, you can select it. I am going to select English language and click on continue. Now here WordPress is telling us to enter some information which is required, so we will click let's go. Here we have to enter this required information. So first, WordPress is asking us database name, so we are going to keep the name tutorials. Username should be always root. Password, you can keep anything you want, but for now I am going to keep it empty. Database, and these two things are going to be same. We are going to change it and just click on submit. Now we can run the installation. Friends, now it is asking us to keep the name of our site. Again, I am going to keep here tutorials. Username, anything you want. I am going to keep my name, and here password, whatever you want to keep. Enter your email address and click install WordPress. Please make sure don't click on this checkbox which is written here, search engine visibility. This will discourage the search engine visibility from indexing the site. This means that if you will click on this particular checkbox, your website will not be get indexed in Google. So please don't click on this and just click on install WordPress. Friends, we have successfully installed our WordPress. Now let's log in. It is again asking us these details to log in. Enter your username or email address and your password. Congratulations friends, you have launched your first WordPress and we have installed it, and with the installation you have also launched your first website you can see how your default website looks like. This is the default website of WordPress, which looks like this, and you can customize it as you want. You can do lots and lots of changes. You can turn this website into a very beautiful looking website. We are going to show it how we can do it in our upcoming videos, but for now, in today's video, we are just telling you how you can launch your WordPress website into your Xampp. And Xampp is just a local host, so this is just used to create your project, and then in future, whenever you feel that your project is ready to be launched, you can launch your website from Xampp to any domain which you have purchased. And also in upcoming videos, we are going to see and learn about all these tabs like post, media, pages, what we can do from these tabs. So continue watching our videos, and we are going to learn lots and lots about our WordPress. So for today, thank you for watching this video, and we will come back again with lots and lots of other videos of WordPress in future. Thank you and goodbye.